Hey guys, I'm getting ready to start my ride here in Irvine, California. I'm actually en route to Newport Beach, the Lower Bay area. So come ride with me. Sit back, relax, and let's get to it. Hey guys, I just made it out to the Upper Newport Bay Nature Preserve. This was actually one of my first stops along the way while I was en route to the beach. If you're into outdoors, this is definitely a great place to stop by and check out. Hey guys, I'm almost there. It's a 12-mile trip and I'm about 10 miles in with about 2 miles left to go. Right now, I'm feeling a little tired, but so far so good. Just made it to Newport Bay, definitely a good workout. Now I'm ready for my 12-mile return. Thanks for watching. Guys, if you don't already follow me, please do so at the letter D Wall Street Guy on Instagram. Also, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel at darrenjohnson.org/YouTube.